Running a business on a legacy system may seem like a cost-effective option in the short term, but in the long run, it can have serious consequences. Customers may also become dissatisfied with your business if your legacy system is unable to keep up with their needs. The time has come to turn over a new leaf. You can bring your business into the future with legacy modernization. With legacy modernization, you can streamline your processes, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. And with modern systems, you can take advantage of the latest technologies and stay ahead of the competition. According to a research conducted by the Forrester Group, modernizing legacy applications can enhance the productivity of the team by 40% and reduce the cost of business operations by 13%. By doing so, businesses can improve their efficiency, reduce downtime, and improve customer satisfaction. With a modern system in place, organizations can also access real-time data and analytics, enabling them to make informed decisions and adapt quickly to changes in the market. Legacy modernization may require an initial investment, but the long-term benefits can far outweigh the costs. Here's how we approach legacy modernization for businesses. Soft Web Solutions takes a radical approach by implementing cloud engagements that ensure faster app development. This solution helps businesses build a result-driven digital transformation to accelerate their cloud migration journey. At Soft Web Solutions, we've devised a comprehensive strategy for legacy modernization that empowers businesses. Say goodbye to the headaches and frustrations of outdated systems, and hello to a future of increased productivity and growth. Contact us today to learn more about how legacy modernization can benefit your business.